Up in the northwest corner of the state, Whatcom County is the ideal picture of Washington beauty. Right near the ocean and surrounded by picturesque farm landscapes, it's tough to find a more amazing place to be in the Northwest.
So many people think of this area as one of their favorite places.
Becky Mandelbaum is the communications manager for Visit Bellingham. From downtown to back roads, there's something for everyone out here.
You can stay in Bellingham, have the small, almost city vibes, and then come out here to the county and get a little bit of peace and quiet. Meanwhile, there's hiking and mountain biking and kayaking.
We're trying to get folks on the road to see what's happening in local farming in Whatcom and Skagit counties.
Jessica Gillis works for the nonprofit Sustainable Connections. Each year, they put out a map listing the many experiences people can have visiting local farms and farm stands.
You'll see these loops are color-coded around the counties and down into Skagit. They're meant for you to make a day of it. Right now, we're talking about the Eat Local Lynden Loop, and we're here just at the beginning of apple season, so it's the time to be coming for some U-pick. The fields are gorgeous. We've got Mount Baker in the background everywhere, so you're getting sort of this farm experience and a local experience, but also getting to see the amazing landscapes we have to offer here.
And there's nothing wrong with a little fresh air.
That's right, especially around here.
We decided to visit one of the spots on the map ourselves. Now we're at Bellwood Farms near Lynden, talking with Vice President of Farm Operations, Blake Abel. With apple trees, an amazing farm stand, and so much more, they're staying busy and keeping guests happy.
We have Friday night farm tunes where we have local bands that come and people bring their families, cornhole. We basically are just a building for everybody to hang out in.
But aside from all the family fun, they also offer fun for adults as well, all using the apples grown right here.
We are the first apple distillery in Washington State. We have a vodka that's made from just Honeycrisp apples. You think about a spirit made from apples, you kind of think it would have an apple taste, right? But it's pretty much a neutral spirit. It tastes just like a potato vodka or rice vodka.
No self-service.
Okay, our vodka is pretty hot, meaning like a high ABV.
Sure.
We like it when it burns on the way down. No, so that's our Honeycrisp vodka moonshine.
Ooh, that warms you up. What do you think, Christine? It's a place to be.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks, Blake. Man, this is great.
We'll get you guys a ride home. No, I'm just kidding.
But there's a whole lot more to explore. So when you get the chance, head on out to Whatcom County and see all the magic that this area has to offer.